Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by closing every Office app and saving your files. This prevents corruption and speeds removal. Sign out of your account in each app so licensed data isn't locked. Next, quit OneDrive. Open its menu and choose Pause or Quit to stop syncing. This ensures no cloud processes hold files. Once done, you'll be ready to remove application bundles and related support files, which is the next practical step to fully clear Office from your Mac. You'll now delete the apps and their support files to fully uninstall. Drag Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and OneDrive from /applications to the trash. This removes the main bundles. Then open Finder's Go to Folder and delete related folders in /library/containers and /library/group containers. These store preferences and license tokens. Also remove /library/pref. To finish, empty the trash and restart your Mac so remaining file handles release and system caches refresh. If you plan to reinstall Office, make sure activation succeeds by signing in after reboot. This clears old token conflicts. If files or services resist deletion, run the Microsoft Support and Recovery Assistant or use a dedicated uninstaller app to remove stubborn leftovers. If something goes wrong, reboot in safe mode and repeat the library cleanup to remove locked items.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.